estate market, we have seen the same pattern following up. So first infrastructure gets in, then builder moves in, then finally prices catch up. So we have seen this happening on Golf Course Road, Extension Road, SPR Road, New Gurgaon and Dwarka Expressway. But my question is, do we have any opportunity which is now emerging up? So I've brought you to one of the builders and the project today. We are standing at front of Sun City Platinum Tower, which is in Sector 28. Just to show you what Sun City is actually delivering in Delhi NCR. So this is Sun City Platinum Towers. And we will be moving towards our project where we are going to talk about each thick and thin information about Sun City Monarch, which is coming up in Sector 78.
So Sun City is the big developer who has played a great role in the establishment of real estate market in Delhi NCR. Mr. Alan Goyal, he is having a very good vision, very longer vision, and he is very customer oriented person. So they have come up with the projects which are the customer feedback oriented project. टाउनशिप कंसेप्ट पे मेनली फोकस करने का रीज़न यही था कि जहाँ पे हम डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स एक ही प्रोजेक्ट में कस्टमर को प्रोवाइड करा सकें. सो वेदर इट इज़ प्लॉटेड डेवलपमेंट, हाई राइज, लो राइज, सन सिटी हैज़ गिवन इट ऑल. सो मैं दिल्ली एनसीआर या इस मार्केट में ही नहीं बोलूँगी, मैं बोलूँगी इंडिया में भी बहुत कम लोग ऐसे हैं जो सन सिटी को नहीं जानते.
सो दिस इज़ द वॉल ऑफ माइलस्टोन व्हाट सन सिटी हैज़ अचीव्ड टिल नाउ, एंड दीज आर द सिटीज वेयर वी हैव द प्रेजेंस. सो लेट मी टेल यू, सन सिटी इज हैविंग द एक्सपर्टीज डिलीवरिंग इन टाउनशिप्स. So in delivery, we have delivered 11,000 plus apartments, then plot areas, 15,000 plus plot areas, and in commercial, we have the number of 2,300 plus. And where we are standing currently, this is Sun City Platinum Towers, which is in Sector 28, just near to Ifko Chowk Metro Station. This was launched in 2018 at the price of 13,000 per square feet, and today it has received the massive appreciation. It is trading at 35,000 per square feet now.
So now let's discuss about the location where Sun City Monarch is coming up. So this is the red dot you are seeing. This is the location of Sun City Monarch. Let me give you a quick brief. What are the nearby locations? What services we can give you within the vicinity? So these are the nearby locations. The airport, hospitals, hotels, office spaces, schools, shopping complexes, sports, universities. So these dots which are getting highlighted now, these are the options nearby to this area. And when we mention this has the very close proximity from NH48, so this is the reason. If you can see, this is NH48 and this is our site of Sun City Monarch. So this is hardly a walking distance from this particular area. Now why Monarch stands out? So let me brief you the project first. This is the 16 acres of land parcel which is having only 5 towers. Yes, you heard it right. So 16 acres में सिर्फ 5 टावर. आपको आज की डेट में दिल्ली एनसीआर में या तो इतना बड़ा एरिया नहीं मिलेगा, और अगर मिलेगा तो उसमें सिर्फ 5 टावर नहीं मिलेंगे. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी लो डेंसिटी प्रोजेक्ट. सो लेट मी शो यू फ्रॉम वेयर वी हैव द एंट्री ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. This is the 15 meter of road from where we have the entry and exit point of this project. Then we go towards the internal society. As you can see, these are the multiple green areas and the water bodies. The main USP which makes this project stand out is they are having the 3 acres of dedicated sports area. 3 acres of dedicated sports area. Then we have 5 towers in 16 acres. As you can see, the tower 1, 2, 3 we are launching for now, and rest 2 towers would be launching in the second phase of the society. We are having 1.25 lakh square feet of clubhouse here. So in the clubhouse we have the 4th floor where we have the multiple amenities. I'll be counting on what amenities do we have, and on the top of it we have the half Olympic size of swimming pool. In these amenities we have on ground floor the cafe, banquet hall, party lawn, multiple business centers. On second floor we'll be having kids play area, library, lounge area. Third floor is dedicated for the shooting range, bowling alley, home theater, card room, podcast, table tennis and all those activities. On 4th floor we are having boxing ring, Zumba, dance room, steam room, nail art studios and all. Then we have the terrace. This has the large infinity pool, kids pool and jacuzzi, and multiple sitting areas where you can enjoy the rooftop. So having said that, they are more focused on the wellness and the resort style living. They are giving you the 3 acres of dedicated sports area, which consists the football court. It's huge in size. Then basketball court, tennis court, pickleball court, and we have the indoor squash court also, the indoor badminton court also in case of rain or if you want to play these sports inside. And one more unique thing in this project is this dedicated area for the temple. So if you want to have any kind of satsang, कोई भी gathering आपको करनी हो तो आप इस area में कर सकते हैं. So this is the tower elevation. As you can see, this is the outer facade of the building, how this is going to be. We are having the height of ground plus 45, and in total in this project we have the 900 units in 16 acres. As I've mentioned, this is the very low density one. We are coming up with the 3.5 and 4.5 sizes. 3.5 BHK size is 2350 square feet and 4.5 BHK would be 3150 square feet.
Now we are going to get the exact clear picture where Sun City Monarch is coming up. So we are currently standing in the sector 78, and what you are seeing at my back, this is the construction which is happening of Sun City Monarch, and this has reached to the 3rd basement level. They have completed with the 2 basement level already, and you can see the tower construction is happening. We have the clubhouse and this huge area here. So the tree lining which you are seeing there would be the temple which I had shown you in the model. Few more construction, as you might be seeing at the back of this construction, you can see few of the constructions happening. These are of M3M, Mapsco Mount Villa, then we have the DLF construction happening. So it shows that this has the very close neighborhood with the DLF and M3M.
Every successful corridor of Delhi NCR has worked on 3 things mainly: location, connectivity, and the project quality. And Sector 78 is having it all. Having the good neighborhood with Sector 80, which is already coming up with the multiple projects, whether it is Eltico, Ashiana, Conscient, those are trading at a very good price range, which is almost 18 to 20,000 per square feet. And having a good neighborship with the DLF, as DLF is having 140 acres of licensed land patch in nearby area and trading at almost 20,000 to 24,000 per square feet price, and having same product quality and same infrastructure, Sun City is coming up at a very good price, which is the icing on a cake, and this is a very good opportunity for the investors also. Current pricing of Sun City Monarch is 17,000 per square feet, so this is a very reasonable price to enter into the market. What we are expecting in coming 3 years is almost 20 to 22,000 per square feet price. So this is the great opportunity for the investors to enter in this project, क्योंकि आने वाले 2 से 3 सालों में जब सुपर स्ट्रक्चर दिखने लग जाएगा, एंड जैसा कि सबको पता है कि जब प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीशन पे आता है तो एक्चुअल एप्रिसिएशन तभी दिखने लगता है. और लोकेलिटी लाइक सेक्टर 78, जहाँ पे आपको नियर बाई आपके नेबरहुड में कर्मा लेक लैंड जैसी जगह मिल जाती है, NSD कैंपस इज देयर, विच इज एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी safe environment altogether. And the kind of project what they are bringing, इसमें end user का मूवमेंट ज़्यादा रहेगा. जैसे कि पहले भी मेंशन किया है मैंने, इसमें आपको 92% तक का ओपन एरिया मिलता है. दैट्स कम्प्लीटली ग्रीन एरिया एंड ओपन एरिया. स्पोर्ट्स एरिया जो 3 एकड़ का है डेडिकेटेड, वो आज तक गुड़गांव की हिस्ट्री में किसी प्रोजेक्ट में नहीं रहा है. और एंड यूज़र का तो आप एज्यूम कर ही सकते हैं कि जैसा कि मैंने आपको प्रोजेक्ट में ऑलरेडी ब्रीफ कर दिया है, एंड यूज़र को 3-4 चीज़ें चाहिए होती हैं. जब वो ऑफिस से थक के आएँ तो उनको एक ओपन स्पेस मिलना चाहिए, ग्रीन एरिया वहाँ पे है, आपकी स्पोर्ट्स मैनिटीज़ हैं वहाँ पे जो आपकी वेलनेस को और आपकी हेल्थ को ध्यान में रखते हुए की गई हैं. किड्स सेंट्रिक चीज़ें हैं वहाँ पे. 30,000 स्क्वायर फीट का एरिया जो है दैट इज़ डेडिकेटेड टू किड्स एरिया, जहाँ से बच्चों का स्क्रीन टाइम कम होके आप बच्चों को अलग एक्टिविटीज़ में इंडल्ज कर सकते हैं. सेक्टर 78 checks 3 boxes: connectivity, infrastructure and quality development. And if you are evaluating Gurgaon's market not just for the lifestyle but for next 5 to 6 years, then Sun City Monarch is the worth studying closely, because in real estate the biggest opportunities become more visible before they become more obvious.
So from the site, NH8 is just at the right hand side of mine. The road which you're seeing, this is upcoming 42 feet of wide road, and इस project की अगर हम दोनों side की बात करते हैं, it has the connectivity 24 meter and 24 meter from the surrounding of the project. So seamless connectivity from Dwarka Expressway, and you have a very less timing where you can reach within 15 to 20 minutes from IGI airport.
So if you're thinking to plan any site visit and you want to have the complete brief of the project and details, you can DM Monarch in the comment section and you can contact us on below given number. This is Jyoti Sharma signing off, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.